Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You have the rights and assets. Now create the site. In the SharePoint Admin Center, click New Site and choose Communication or Team depending on whether you broadcast or collaborate. Once done, name the site, set language and privacy, and attach a hub if relevant. This influences navigation and permissions later. Make sure to upload your logo and draft a 3-5-item top navigation map so pages align. This gets you a scaffold that supports consistent design and governance. Now focus on structure. Add modern pages and choose section layouts, 1 column, 2/3, or 3 columns to match content density. Insert web parts, text, image, hero, quick links, and document library for dynamic content. Create a reusable template by saving a page as a template so teams replicate consistent layouts. Also set up lists and libraries with metadata columns and views to power filtering and search. This makes content manageable and discoverable as the site scales. Finish by configuring permissions. Assign owners, members, and visitors, and apply sharing settings to enforce security. Run preview and test on mobile to ensure responsive behavior. Adjust section widths and image focal points if needed. Once happy, publish the home page and promote via hub navigation or a link. If content doesn't appear in search, re-index the site or request a crawl. That usually resolves visibility issues. Make sure to audit access logs and adjust governance periodically.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.